Toyota Prius 2004 to 2009. The power steering ECU is located behind the steering wheel under the dashboard. The module is secured by 3 bolts, one in the front and 2 at the bottom.